All right, sir, again, you're Brian McWade,
Yes, ma'am.
and get it pulled up again.
June second. Right, June second, please, how are you, June?
Now it's spinning.
I'll have 7 5.
Okay, so Mr. McQuaid, in cause number 26, DCCR 0402, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from March 8th of 2026. And what that means, sir, is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I have here on the tablet a plea bargain rejection that you've signed with Mr. Macon that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 10-year term in prison that would be probated. You'd be on probation for 10 years. You would do 30 days upfront time and follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. You have every right to reject that offer and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial, what your options are if you want to enter a plea of guilty. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll get it set for trial. Is there any reason, Mr. Coleman, to believe that offer would change?
I got it.
So I do want to make sure you understand, Mr. McWade, that once your case is on my trial docket, I don't accept this plea agreement again, unless there's some new information that the attorneys don't have or know about right now. Otherwise, if you change your mind and you want to enter a plea of guilty later, it would be either open to the court or to something other than what's been offered today. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll get it set on the trial docket. Mr. Macon will begin preparation for trial.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you Sasha Swofford? Just stand right there. Are you Sasha Swofford? Answer yes or no, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Swofford, in cause number 25, DCCR 1493, the state is elected to proceed on count 1 only. It alleges that you committed the state jail felony offense of theft of material, aluminum, copper, bronze, or brass, and that's from June 30th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Swofford is not
No,
competent?
Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of that plea, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of the state jail felony offense of theft of material, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I handed you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long it lasts, you can talk with Ms. Holmes. All right, good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff. Sorry, you Roderick Anders. This is 25 DCCR 0388. Mr. Anders is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And what is the announcement?
We're ready to go.
State's
Just
ready.
release on the trial document.
Okay.
State's ready, Judge. We'd ask that you call a name, please.
Today,
Yes, ma'am.
what is that name?
The sudden surprise, Stevens, Judge.
The Sudden Surprise Stevens. But Ms. Stevens has been here with us before.
Oh, I've been, okay.
It's not one of those you forget.
Yeah.
Judge, we'd also ask if she is here that you admonish her about the consequences. She's under subpoena, she's already. but the consequences of not. We've also subpoenaed her to bring the 2 juvenile witnesses with her as well. Yes, Steve.
Miss
Good call.
it's her, it's opposite.
You come in.
Y'all, if you'll move around this way, please, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are LaSudden Stevens.
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Stevens, I just wanted to bring you here. You are under subpoena for a trial next week regarding Mr. Anders. And I just want to admonish you that once you are under subpoena, you are required by law to show up when you are told to show up. Also, if there are any juveniles that are part of this that are also under subpoena, that you are required to bring them here if they're in your care. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you don't, then there could be potential consequences and nobody wants that. I'm not trying to threaten you. I just want to make sure you understand the importance of it so that there's no issues with you getting any kind of trouble, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can step back out.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, and so looks like there was a previous plea rejection in this case of a 10-year term, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Any changes in that offer or negotiations that I need to be aware of?
No.
All right, so I will number the case as soon as docket is over today. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.